In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Lemlist Chrome extension. So first head over to chromewebstore.google.com and here search for Lemlist. Now open it up and start adding it to your Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. And now once connected in a new tab, head over to LinkedIn and here log into your account. From here, you can also start searching for your ideal prospects. So it could be founders or marketers or decision makers. So all you have to do is open up their profile, then click on the Lemlist icon at the sidebar. And here you have an option to add them to your campaign or save them to your contacts. And with that, you can easily now get new leads in LinkedIn with ease and convenience. And from there, you can just start browsing LinkedIn for more prospects and repeat the same process. That actually helps you capture and outreach to leads faster just by browsing. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!